Gland Pharma. We spoke about this in a little bit of detail, but let's get into the fine print here. Because the subsidiary of Gland Pharma has received a final inspection report from France's drug regulator, ANSM, and there are 11 observations. What are they and why are they significant? Hiral joining in to tell you about that and the implications. Hiral?
Thank you, Alex, so much. So Cenexi, which is a subsidiary, has received a final report from the French regulator, which is ANSM, and this has 11 observations, and this is for the Fontenay facility. Now, the inspection was conducted between the 9th to the 19th of December, for which now the CAPA plan, which outlines the measures to address these observations, have been submitted, and they have to do this in the next 3 to 12 months. Apart from that, what the company though is indicating is that in spite of these 11 observations, there will be no disruption in terms of where manufacturing goes. So that is something that we need to take into consideration, because Cenexi contributes nearly 25% to Gland Pharma's revenues, and if you talk about the Fontenay facility, that contributes nearly 40% to Centenay's revenues as well. To be noted, this is the CDMO business that Gland Pharma had acquired as well. Overall, in the previously informed notifications, what they said is that the conclusion of ANSM inspection is something that is indicated from here on. Cenexi, what they've said is they're maintaining the target to achieve a positive EBITDA by Q3 FY26. Now, why this is interesting is because the expectation was that the company will start contributing to the business from the last quarter of FY25, but that has got delayed to the third quarter of FY26. So that is one of the key concerns. Apart from that, if you talk about the EBITDA loss, that has come in at around 48 odd crores, and this was on the back of the plant inspection itself. Double-digit EBITDA is what they are looking at in terms of FY27 as well. But the clear understanding from here is that the lower subsidiary contribution is something which is a concern. 19% in terms of margins in the first quarter of FY25 as compared to 29% was the base business. And from here on, analysts are also saying that the lack of Cenexi contributing probably will pose a concern for a Gland from here on.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much, Hiral, for laying that out for us. And certainly a stock to watch out for. The start today, down about 11.4% in the last 6 months or so.